Can I keep the house if it's only in my spouse's name? Well, sure, we can make that happen. But here's the situation that's normally gonna happen. The house is gonna be maybe in your spouse's name because you signed a quitclaim deed because it was better for the refi. And 3 years later, she's now saying that she wants to get a divorce and the house is hers and you signed the quitclaim deed and you have no interest in it. You think you're SOL, but you're still on the mortgage, even though you signed off on the quitclaim deed. Yeah, that happens. We've had that situation. It's kind of weird. Guys think it's gonna happen and then they realize like, oh, I just got screwed. Yeah, that's exactly what happened. If you wanna keep the house and it's in your partner's name, the way in which you do that is you've gotta buy out their interest. If there's a community property interest, you have to buy them out. Even if it's in their name, we could make that happen. That frequently happens where the house is bought by him and she then wants the house in the divorce. He wants to make sure that she has the house because that's where the kids are. He doesn't want to make the kids move. He thinks it's the right thing to do. How are we going to make that happen? She's told him, if you just sign it over to me, it's mine. And he's like, oh yeah, that's a great idea. Not a great idea. Here's why. Because the mortgage is still in your name, but now the house is in her name and you have no rights to it. That means that if she decides not to pay the mortgage, you have to pay the mortgage. So when we're dealing with buying each other out in a divorce situation, it's very, very important that you actually operate with a real lawyer who knows what they're really doing when it comes to real estate, mortgages, and divorces. Do not just listen to your spouse and give them what they want because you think, oh, it'll be easier. Easy in divorce usually means you're gonna get screwed. If you wanna buy the other party out, you've gotta do it properly. You've gotta actually think through all of the implications and have a lawyer that actually knows what they're doing give you good advice. Yes, you can buy the house out from the other party, but you've got to make sure that you're not going to be screwed by doing so. If you want to learn more about this stuff and how we handle that in family law, you should come join us at dadslawschool.com, where I teach dads how to represent themselves in family court. We go through weekly group trainings, we've got group coaching, we've got videos that teach dads child custody, child support, how to gather evidence, how to use evidence. There's a whole bunch of great information there, and if you want to learn more about that, go check out dadslawschool.com. Have a great day, remember, I think you're freaking awesome.